Hello, and welcome to this new feature showcase for the VS Code extension for DVC. Today I'll be going over renaming experiments. Here we have my experiments window with all of my experiments that have already been run. So I'll go ahead and hover my experiment, right-click, go to Rename Experiment, and enter my new experiment name. Go ahead, click Enter. And there we go. We can see our experiment has been renamed. That's about all. Thanks for watching.